Hello, teacher. Hello, Sammy. How are you? Fine, teacher. I am fine. Okay. Start the class. Okay. Hello. Okay, we start. You always need to copy in your notebook, please. The date. I date. Okay. I can see. No, please wait. Yes, yo vi esa palabrita. Yo vi la palabrita. Ay, okay, wait for me. Okay, continue. Date. Today is Friday. Yes, Friday. Okay, I copy. Finish. Oh, you are very fast. Topic. Date at camp. Okay. Oh, I, continue. Performance. Performance. And action. Okay. And now for today, you were in a homework. Sammy. Sammy, please. Oh, listen. Homework. Hi, Sammy, please. You are the example of the students. Homework is very easy. You the homework. Okay, teacher. Don't worry, I can do it. Just send me the homework the next Thursday, okay? The next Thursday. Just send me. If you finish the homework before of that day, you can send, okay? And I check. What? Ay, mira, la tarea la colocamos hoy, pero me la pueden enviar hasta el próximo jueves. Pero si la tienes antes, si la tienes hoy mismo, me la envías y yo te la reviso. Ah, ok. Y esa sí tiene notica. Ah, ok. Five for me, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pero todavía no sabes cuál es la tarea. Mira, but I am very, I can do it. Okay, can do it. Okay, what is the homework? Look, pay attention to me. In your book, page 14, we have the point C. Okay, the C. You pay attention in this part. May a camp schedule. Okay, in this part, say, imagine you are going to summer camp for 5 days. 5 days? Yes, 5 days. Oh, I like it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Yes, or Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Friday that you like. Okay. And you use the vocabulary that we were in this page, okay? Okay, teacher, it's very easy. And continue, may follow fun activities you can do each day at camp, okay? The activities that you can't do in the camp. For example, I have an example for you. Okay, teacher. Look, this is the tile and decorate, please. Okay, I can draw a camping and fire and river. Yes, you can. Okay. And you write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday that you like, okay? 5 days, 5. And you write the activities that you're going to on Monday, you're going to on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and Friday. This is the activity for today. Oh, I love your homework. Yes, you love my homework. Okay. And now you can say bye to students. Bye. Made it homework for 5.5. Okay, five, not fine. 5 points. Okay, but the homework fine. Okay, the homework fine. Okay, bye. Bye. See you. See you soon. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. Yes, yes, yes. Stop. Wait for me. Okay, wait. Sorry. Okay, bye, boys and girls. Bye.